Hello friends, here I am again with another video about the asset management in the accounting module. So accounting module is a very wide. We need to manage our company's assets, the number of the assets that company possesses, how we can manage on that in the accounting module, how we can show in the accounting modules. That is always manageable in the Flectra database. Now let's see how we can manage all our assets, or the company's assets that we have, the purchase, the current assets and the past asset that we have in the accounting modules. So let's see, directly go to the Flectra database. So here we are again with the accounting modules. So I'm going to click on accounting modules. I'm going to directly to the configurations and the asset types. As we have already created the computer about the vendor base, so I'm going to create a new assets about. So I'm going to write down the laptop. Okay, we have some information that we need to fill up over here. So we need to select the company. Okay, the general items we can select over here, which is a vendor bills. So I'm just click over here as a vendors. The time method would be the number of the entries that we require. But first, let's see the general entries all about the assets accounts. We're gonna click over here, which is the current assets. So as we can select our current assets, the depreciation entries of the asset account will be automatically as a created on that. The expenses also we can select over here, which is, let's see the current asset as well. The analytical account that you can select over here, the number of you can search over here, but just for the demo we just put it as a blank. Analytical tag that we have actually that we can create as a contract. We can select over here the time method, which is like number of the entries that we have, or also we can select the ending date. But for the demo we can select the number of entries. If we select the ending date, it will require 12 months. You can also create the year and the month as well, but right now I'm just selecting the number of entries. So here also there is available, which is additional informations options, that auto confirm assets. So we don't need to create manually, it will confirm our assets. So we can just click on over here. Also we have the group entries available for the general, so we can select over here. The depreciations we can base on the last day that we have purchased, or also we can do the manually. So for the demo we can select over manually. Also the depreciation method with the computations, which is the linear, and the degradations. The degradations we have the degradation factors we can select over here, but as a demo we can select a linear. So I'm just gonna save it over here. So as you can see, the new asset type laptop will be generated. So I'm going directly on the vendors and create a new vendor bill. So I'm gonna just select the vendors. Quickly I'm just going through all the information. I'm just gonna add a line, which is create, let's say the customize desk. I'm just going to select a new product. So we have the number of product, which is, let's say, the storage box. I'm going to select our storage box. As you can see, the set type, so I'm going to click over here. We have the two types, so I'm just click over here, which is laptop. So this is how we can create. I'm just save it. So okay, I'm just confirm this vendor bill. So once we confirm the vendor bill, I'm just doing the registering payment as well. So this is how it will be posted. The vendor we have is posted, and the asset category will be laptop. So let's go directly to the asset management and the reporting. As you can see that this view is reference. I'm just click over here. So total we have the two asset type, one is a computer, one is the laptop. We just created over here. So as you can see, the gross amount will be 70 and the unposted amount will be $70. So this is how you can see your asset types and asset management, how you can create on that. You can also filter it out the draft that you actually posted, the running, which is right now we have the computers and the laptops you are already posted, and you can do the customized filter as well. We do have the measurement about the gross amounts, the depreciation line you can select over here. You can select the amount of the installation line, the depreciation count as well, the installation count, the posted amount, all the information that you can count and number. If we select all the features as a measurement, you can find out all the informations in over here. So this is how you can create a sage management, and you can select over that how you can manage your all the assets. Thanks for the video. Till then, for the next video, bye bye.